I had to freeze my tomatoes as they ripen this year, so I can't make diced tomatoes, but I can make some crushed tomatoes. I'm going to use the no liquid type, and I'm going to use a pressure canner, and we'll see how they turn out. The last batch I did, I screwed up and didn't let them thaw out properly. I realized later, well, they probably didn't cook all the way through. So, I had to throw them out. Anyway, so I'm going to weigh out just over 8 pounds, and I'm going to let them thaw this time before I go any further. I'm just going to peel these, cut them, put them in the jars. I'm not going to worry about the seeds or the core. These are small Romas, and there's not enough of them to worry about. According to the book, even with pressure canning, you need to add that lemon juice. So, okay, I'm pressure canning, so I'm going to want 1 inch of headspace. Hot water bath, it's a half. Not quite there, I don't think. Zero bowls out first and see where I'm at. Okay. Yes, I am there. I'm going to do these jars one at a time. So the first thing is take a paper towel, dampen it in vinegar, wipe off the rims and the lids. That doesn't feel right. Finger tight and into the canner. We'll do the same with the rest of the jars. I got my jars into the canner. Now, according to my manual, I have to add 8 cups of water. By the way, this is a pressure canner, not a pressure cooker. Don't make the mistake of thinking you can use your pressure cooker for canning. It has to be designated as a canner, and this is. I'm going to add some vinegar to keep the jars from getting cloudy. Close the lid and make sure the vent's open. Okay, I had to double check my timing. Yeah, without adding that hot liquid and all that, it's 25 minutes on a pressure cooker. On a canner, it's different. So, now set the time for 25 minutes. Oops. Double check that the vent's open and press start. It's got up to temperature. Now it's starting the venting process. The E10 means it's going to vent for 10 minutes. And then it's going to beep. That's when I know I should close the pressure valve. Okay, it's been venting for 10 minutes. Beep, that means I'm supposed to close the vent off. Now it's going to come up the temperature again and it'll run for the 25 minutes I set it for and turn itself off. Okay, I got them out of the jar. I was supposed to show you how I did it, but basically I use this thing. First jar I have to use these. You gotta be careful not to tip them or anything like that. Shake them. Okay, well you notice that they kind of a lot more airspace than usual, but I think it's okay. I'm going to try it with some macaroni and tomatoes, which I kind of like a lot, so we'll see how it turns out. It turned out pretty good. They're shrinkage, but I expected that since I wasn't using any liquid. They're all sealed, and they taste pretty good, so I'm pretty happy with the outcome. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.